And it's a Hudson. And it's a two-door. That's super cool. Look at that. Wow.
It's pretty busted.
Doesn't look rusty though.
I say like busted.
Oh.
Like look at the headlight, the side windows are cracked.
They left this cardboard here so I could get a closer look. Look how cool this is. These cars were made where they're so low on the frame, like the frame's on the outside, that they look chopped and lowered. It's got glass taillights. Look at that rear window. This thing is awesome. Sitting behind a motorcycle, like, dealer. It's got the bumper guards and the bumper thing. Like the taillights and the front directionals are glass lenses. What do you think?
About the car? I think it looks cool.
These are so cool.